Mr. First and 15th here, coming to you from Copacabana Beach, camping out, enjoying the waves, some beach. But today, I'm going to speak about offers. I know many of you struggle making quality offers, and then many of you have your offers rejected. So I'm going to give you some assistance. All right. So first, it's important to recognize you have two offers: your pre-inspection offer, your post-inspection offer. Pre-inspection offer comes prior to the inspection. Post-inspection offer comes following the inspection. All right. So the pre-inspection offer, you make that after you've done some due diligence on real estate websites, running comps, things of that sort. You call the agent, call the seller, say I want to make an offer on the property. The seller can either accept, counter. If you agree to terms, then you schedule the property inspection. That's either done by a property inspector, your contractors, you yourself can go as well. All right. Then, based on that property inspection, you'll either A, remain firm on your pre-inspection offer, or you'll say, I want to modify my pre-inspection offer based on the condition of the property, which was evident in the property inspection. All right. Now, after you do that, the seller can A, agree to your modification if there was any, and if there wasn't any modification, then you have a deal and you're ready to move on to the purchase agreement. Okay. Now, that's kind of how things progress. Okay. But you have to realize in real estate, there's a lot of sharks. There's a lot of schmucks in this industry, right? So you're not operating in a perfect world, all right? So, let's say you have a property that's competitively priced, all right? And you have a lot of suitors for this property, okay? Now, what's going to happen is you're going to have a lot of people that's bidding on this property. All right. This is the reason why many of you are not having your offers accepted, is because you're in these bidding wars and you're bidding below the ask and you're getting frustrated because you keep getting rejected. All right. So you have to look at this from another perspective. Okay. And I think real estate is easy when you look at it from different perspectives that are more relatable to you when you're not, vested with much skin in the game. All right. So let's think about this from a relationship standpoint. All right. So the guy suits the woman, courts the woman. Okay. Now, prior to them having a relationship, he's on his best behavior. He's showing her all the good qualities in him. He's a gentleman, things of that sort. Now, once he engages in a relationship with her, all right, and, engages in intercourse with her, chances are his true self starts to rear its ugly head. She starts to see who he really is. Same concept, all right. So you're in a competitive bidding war, all right. You do not want to show your true self, right? So you want to give the inflated version of yourself. So this property is competitively priced, okay? Because you looked at the comps, you've seen that other properties have sold at this similar price point, and it's a hot market, okay? So you want to either go in and ask, or you want to inflate the price, especially if the agent says, I need your best and highest offer. Okay. That's a signal. That's a cadence. All right. Step it up a little bit. All right. Now, remember, this is your inflated self. This is the guy that's courting the gal. All right. This is not your true you. All right. You just want to get her attention. All right. Now, once you get her attention, things are going to shift. But listen, you got to get the attention first. All right. No attention, no deal. All right. So you get the analogy. All right. Now you inflate your price. All right. Or you come in and ask. All right. Now you have the seller's attention. All right. Now they're looking to work with you. All right. Now you have the property inspection. Have the property inspection. Now, after the property inspection, because you have their attention, this is where you can then present your true self with your post-inspection offer. All right. You have their attention. You know, you went through the inspection. They know you're serious. They see that you have the funds available. Okay. Now, they can reject your post-inspection offer. All right. But chances are, if it's within reason, then they're not going to want to go back and repeat the process again and start entertaining new offers. So now you can say, okay, you know what? Listen, based on the property condition, I think this property is worth Y instead of X. Okay? And then they can either counter or they can accept. All right. Now, if they accept, great. You just save thousands of dollars. All right. If they counter, then you have to make a decision whether or not you want to counter again or you want to accept their counter. But at the end of the day, you still put yourself in a better position. All right. By inflating your offer, getting the attention, securing the attention of the property to you, weeding out the other sharks, and then you can make a pragmatic and prudent decision. Now, in the event that this is not a competitively priced property, then, you know, by all means, you know, submit the offer that you feel is most rational. So let's say the seller has the property price 2 times of what the market is really, you know, asking. And you can see it's been on the market for a couple of months. All right. You know, you could come in 25% less, 50% less. It's up to you. Okay? Because you see it's been on the market. You know, it's not being courted, right? And then even with that, you come in, let's say you come in 25% less. Let's say the property is listed at 100,000, you come in at 75,000. All right. You conduct your inspection. You still have the option to lower your offer with the post-inspection offer. So you can go inspect it. You say, okay, you know what? I don't think it's worth 75,000. I think it's worth 60,000. All right, they have a decision to make. All right, but this advice will allow you to start, you know, making solid offers and also increasing your acceptance rate. And that's what you want. You want to get to the end line. You want to get the deal done. So you have to adjust your strategy. You know, sometimes you can lowball initially, but when you're dealing with competitively priced properties and you have a lot of suitors, listen, you have to come in and ask or inflate it, knowing that that is your pre-inspection offer. Knowing that you are looking to modify your offer with this post-inspection offer, and you'll always be able to find something to substantiate the reason why you want to drop your offer price. So there it is. Offers. Put it in action. Let me know how it works. Drop a comment below. Subscribe to the channel. Give me your feedback. If you need coaching services, go to my website, jasonprops.com. Do the deal. That's it.